sports bike fans, it's Will at Jordanbikes and I've got this for sale. An absolutely stunning Yamaha R1. This one is a 2015 on a 15 plate and it's only done 8,282 miles. LED headlights on these. You've also got adjustable traction control, power modes. Then you've also got quickshifter on this as well, launch control, and also slide control. So you can adjust how much of an angle you can actually get that back end out by. All on the track, obviously. Aftermarket Scorpion can there in decat. Stunning. Tail tidy on this as well. It is absolutely mega. I'm going to give it a quick start up for you. What an absolute beast this is, and I bet it's absolute mega to ride. Well, you'll find out when you get it bought. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers. Oosh, what a beast.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.